Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a booking in CouponBet. So CouponBet is a travel agency organizer, and it helps you to organize your travel agency in such a way that's very easy. And one of the most useful things that you can do is, of course, insert your bookings in the system, so it will start to analyze the system all automatically and very efficiently. So let me show you exactly how you can organize your travel agency by adding a booking. So let's go to the booking manager, and in this video we're going to get an example. So you can see right now here, right away, which customer is traveling and which customer will almost return. As you can see, Mark Cruz has been traveling since 5 April, but will be returning within 2 days. Next, we have Ronald Cole, traveled today, and same with another Mark Cruz, who will be also traveling today. And you can see who's traveling very soon. So Nick Reyes and Anthony Mendoza and John Reyes as well. So let's start and add a booking. So imagine in this case, we have a new booking, and this booking is from a customer, and this customer is planning to go to Cebu. So let me show you exactly how to do that. First of all, let's click here on add booking. And as you can click on add booking, you can put in here the company name. In this case, this customer is a private customer, no company involved. So let's put in the information. So this customer's name is Elisa Chui. And the email is elisa@gmail.com. Please note that this booking is a fictional booking and the person is also a fictional person. I'm just making it up as I go, just for demonstration purposes. Alright, so and then here 0977 567 4231. That's the contact number. And then here the type of travel category. In this case, the customer is or purchase a airfare plus land arrangement. It's like a holiday package, so let's click on that. All right, and destination is Cebu, and the travel date will be next week, the 20th, and the returning date will be, it's a 3 days 2 nights, so it's the 22nd of April, for a total of 4 packs, and the mode of payment. So now we can put in the mode of payment and the contact details of the operator. So first of all, we have here the customer paid a cash payment, and the cash payment and total price is 5,000. No, sorry, 5,000 per person, so it's total of 20,000. Then we have also the airfare rate, and this is for Cebu Pacific. And then we have here a total of 12,000 pesos. Then we have the hotel. So the hotel is let's say, for example, a Hilton. I'm not sure because the price is far higher for Hilton. However, let's try it. Looks very nice. So Hilton Hotel, and imagine the Hilton Hotel has a very special discount, and that is 6,000 pesos. And then finally we have also the transfer, and the transfer is the bus rental service, rental Cebu, and the total price of this is 1,000. So we have this. Now we fill up everything, and you will see later on everything will be all calculated automatically. So let's click here on save, and let's to insert the booking. All right, so we inserted the booking, and let's search for the booking. And we can see here our booking, Elisa Chui, is close to John Chui, and travel date 20 April to 22nd. Let's click on this, and as we click on this, you can see here the entire booking. You can see all the bookings and all the booking information. So you can see here the email, the phone number, travel date, and you can see here how much you earned. And you can see here the customer paid 20,000, and the airfare, the hotel, the transfer, and the total earnings of 1,000 pesos. So that is very, very nice. So you can see This is really the way how you can organize your booking and how you can insert a holiday package booking in CouponBet easily, and it will automatically sort on the right date. As you can see here, it will show you exactly when is the travel date, it's upcoming. And if you go here as well to booking date, you can see it's the first one of here on top because it's the one that's been booked today. And of course, status is not checked, so let's click on this. You can see it's still pending. Is booking approved or rejected? This part is still being developed, however, this will be all connected very soon. And that's really it. So if you like and want to structure your travel agency as well, go to couponbet.com and register right away.